everyone and welcome back to my channel and for another video. Thank you for all my returning subscribers for returning. Hello if you're new here, my name is Carrot Beauty. In today's video it's going to be a holiday vlog. So this is going to be part one of packing, travelling, day one of what we get up to. We are leaving this Friday to be the 3rd of September. We are going to Devon from Friday to Monday morning, which is going to be fun because it's Aloe's first holiday, and honestly I cannot wait to go. To be honest, we're halfway packing as we're speaking and we're almost like packed and ready to go already, and it's like 2 days to go. So exciting. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Please turn on the notification bell and let's go straight into the video. So tonight is Thursday, the 2nd of September. So tomorrow is the day that we go on holiday. So tonight I thought I would bring you all along with me to do a pamper night. So I'm going to start off obviously with my face, and then I'm going to do my brows. So my brows desperately need to do for holiday. Like I'm going to shape them and tint them as well. Obviously my nails are already done from nail salon, as if you haven't seen me already show you guys them. This is what they look like. I thought I'll go for this because it's like natural and summery, but yeah. So tonight I'm going to start off with the PS Soothing Green Tea and Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Eye Patches. So I could put eye patches here and here, and what I do is just put them on, and then you leave them on 15 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse thoroughly with water, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to put these on, and then I'm going to put half of this on. So this is the Tropical Crush Peel Off Mask. I thought peel off would be better. So this is test a small amount on the inner arm, leave for 5 minutes, rinse off. But obviously I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave on the same time as the eye patches. But I'm going to do half. I've kind of do a little bit like here where the eye patches, and then I'm probably going to do up here. And then once all my peel off mask is off and the eye patches, I'm then going to go onto my brows. But first of all, let's put all this on then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my headband so I don't get it in my hair. So I just literally washed my hair this morning, and I'm not planning on getting in the shower again tonight, because if I'm going to tint my brows and do them nicely for holiday, you can't go in water for 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours. So I'm going to make sure like that. So this is what they look like. So I'm just going to put it on the underneath my arm. What I'm going to do is literally take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. Well, obviously I'm going to use my phone camera to see what I'm doing. Or I might just use the mirror, I can't decide. Oh, these are really, horrible. Now That one's gone really weird. Oh wow. And then just got to sort out the number one. Oh. What's going on with this? There you go. Like so I'm just gonna obviously leave this on for a little bit, but first of all I'm gonna go and put the face mask on, and then I'll be back to show you what I look like. So this is now what I look like. I have put the Tropical Crush mask on. As you can tell, it's all like pink, all up here, all down here. These are my eye, gel eye patches here and here and here. So yeah, that's what I look like. I'm going to be back in about 15 to 20 minutes to wash it off and then do my brows. So see you in a bit. So it's now been about 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm going to take all of this. As I was saying, I'm now going to take all of this off my face. Like, oh, that feels so good. Just to, take it all off, like, oh my, look, so nice. And then this is all peeled off. Most of it is, you can peel off, most of it you can just go like that. It's gonna get stuck in my nail. That ain't good. Just have to use some tissue at the moment and try and get most of this off, because it's gonna get stuck in my nail, and I don't really want that for holiday. I'm getting it stuck in my nail. Most of this is like stuck. Most of this isn't. Oh, look at that. It's so satisfying doing that. But look. Ugh. I can't wait to do my brows. I haven't done them in so many months. I think last one I did them, like tinting them. I think I did it on a YouTube video. I think it was like the first time I ever did them, and then I stopped doing them because I haven't had time. But to be honest, I only do them for special occasions, so I'm going to do them like tonight for holiday, and then probably the next time will be like near enough Christmas. Because my tinted brows do last me like ages. Like, look at all of that. I'm so stuck. Look, it's almost coming off now. Right, I'm going to start with my face. So at this rate, this is going to be fast forward because I haven't got time to go get on my brows and then get into bed. Got an early start tomorrow. Right, I'm gonna fast forward you guys because this is taking rather long time to get off my face. So once I've got this off my face, I am then going to splash some water on it and I'll be back with you lot. See you soon. Now that my face is all nice and clean and looking a bit blotchy from the face mask at the bottom, I am now going to get on with shaping and tinting my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you all the products in a minute on what I'm going to use, and then we're going to get straight into it. How exciting! So now I'm on to brows. So first of all, I'm just going to do a bit of plucking and lifting up my hairs, and then going to do a bit of shaping with a few bits that I have in my eyebrow pack, as you can tell. And then I'm going to try and work out what shape I want my eyebrows using the stencils, because that's how you do eyebrow shaping. So I'm going to be showing you a bit of eyebrow shaping and plucking. And then I'm going to be using the Aloe London Dye Brow Tint. So this is a tint I've used before, and it doesn't really take long to do. It lasts up to 6 weeks, but last time mine lasted up to 8 weeks, which was really good. And this is under 15-minute application, and it is 12 applications, and I've used it once, so I cannot wait to see what my brows are going to look like again, because I miss doing my brows and I just hate penciling them in all the time and having eyebrow definer. So come with me and let's do my brows. So this is obviously like the before. It is so awful, but I can't wait to show you the during and then the after. So see you in a bit. So it's the next morning and I am plucking my brows. So I didn't have time last night. Well, I did pluck my brows. That's till they're done, and I was just tinted my brows. And then I'm just gonna go around the edges and then leave it 5 minutes, take it off, and then see what it looks like after. So I hope I have nice tinted brows for holiday, which is today. Brows are now all tinted and all ready for holiday. Boop, boop.
Right, who's up next? Next one. Lovely. Is that